Dobar dan svima, dobrodošli na naš kanal.
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel.
Danas pravimo ono na što ste svi dugo čekali. Keto, prijateljski cheesecake DJ Steve.
Oh man.
Sounds so fancy.
I know, doesn't it? It's finally here, the one you've been waiting for. The keto friendly cheesecake DJ Steve. Wow, aren't they excited? Look at that. Guys, don't mind the sound effects.
We just love to mix
we just flatter ourselves.
And we like to eat it.
We sure do. But yes, this is the one. We have done a lot of research, and so that has gone into this dessert.
Yes.
And now we are going to bring it to you.
You know, testirali smo nekoliko puta dok nismo usavršili recept i htjeli smo vama da predstavimo savršen keto cheesecake.
All right, guys, without further ado, we're going to jump in with both feet, and we'll be right back.
Ok, šta nam je potrebno za ovaj cheesecake? Izgleda kao dosta sastojaka, ali verujte da kombinacija svih ovih sastojaka da nešto izmišljeno, savršen ukus. Šta nam treba? Bademovo brašno, naravno moj vanilin šećer. Ovo je keto prijateljska Nutella. Ovo je lešnikovo brašno, kako bi se ovdje prevelo. Otopljen neslan puter ili margarin. I vanila ekstrakt, to nam treba za koru. Za fill, krem sir. Koristimo iz ove keto prijateljski prah šećer. Ovo je slatka pavlaka za kuvanje. Mascarpone sir. I to bi bilo to za fill.
All right, guys. So, we have some almond flour. My wife's go-to guy, the vanillin šećer, or vanilla sugar, as we say here. There is a small amount of carbs in this, but that's pretty much going to be it for the keto-friendly digestive.
Yes.
In the cheesecake form. And then we have some, this is a no sugar added hazelnut spread. So it's kind of like Nutella, but it's keto friendly. And then we also have some hazelnut meal. Okay, guys, so you can see what it looks like here. We get the UPIG brand. We do order this since we can't find it in any stores, unfortunately. But yes, if you want to make this keto friendly, you want to keep the carbs down and not lose any flavor, please follow these steps and put all of these ingredients in, and you won't be sorry, and neither will your family, friends, and guests.
Yes.
Okay, so we have some unsalted melted butter here. And then we have some vanilla extract as well. Yes. So that is going to all go into the crust part. Yes. So this kind of replaces the graham crackers in your traditional cheesecake. Yes. Now for the fill. Over here we have, it's a type of, it's a cream cheese, like a Philly cream cheese. And then we have, this is where ours really separates from the rest. We use mascarpone cheese. Yes. So we don't just use cream cheese and then sour cream and what have you. We go for the gold with the mascarpone cheese. Yes. Guys, you are not going to believe the flavor of this cheesecake. Yes. It is unbelievable. Yes. And then we have, this is Truvia confectioner sugar. Again, 0 net carbs. And then we have this guy right here. And that is heavy whipping cream, guys. Okay, so heavy whipping cream. Very, very, very low carbs.
Okay, pa da počnemo. Prvo ćemo napraviti koricu za cheesecake. So, imamo bademovo brašno, dodat ćemo otopljen puter.
All right, guys, so this is for the crust itself. So we have the almond flour, and my wife has added the melted butter. Okay, this is step one, guys.
Yes.
Make this first.
Onda
Okay,
Lešnikovo
so
brašno.
in goes the hazelnut meal.
vanilin šećer. Ja sam stavila onako kao u prste malo samo so, samo da razbije tu slatkoću, kako se kaže. So, u vanilin šećer samo prstohvat soli.
Guys, this is the vanillin šećer that my wife uses quite a bit in her baking. And in there, she just put a pinch of salt. Not much, just a little bit. Kind of breaks up the sweetness of everything.
Okay.
Oh boy, here we go.
Malo vanila ekstrakt.
Here comes the vanilla extract. Just one little guy there. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Let me get
Thank
this
you.
out of the way.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, thanks.
And naš tajni sastojak za koricu. No. To treba da ide u
Sorry,
koricu.
I like that stuff.
Oh my god.
Man, I haven't had breakfast yet. It's noon. Sorry.
Have to be patient.
Did you leave anything in there?
Okay,
for me?
možeš tu malo tu
Okay,
da se
that's
boliš.
fantastic. I'll fight the kids for that little bit. Okay. It's just,
Okay.
oh, thank you. I get to look at this guy.
Yes,
Okay,
you do.
Excellent.
I sad
is my
sve
lucky
ovo
day.
samo... sad sve ovo samo promešajte. Nemoj da se bojite što ispadne ovako malo suvlje, tako i treba da budu više kao mrvice.
Guys, it's going to dry pretty quick. So it's going to look like, oh no, it's clumping, what's going on? That's quite all right. Because this is not going to be your traditional cheesecake crust, where it's pressed down and then everything else goes on top. This is going to be sprinkled in to the dessert. So it's all mixed in now.
Yes. So, šta je Jovan rekao je da ovo nije kao tradicionalna cheesecake korica. Ovo se više ovako kao male mrvice koje ćemo da... Ne diraj, nije gotovo. Oh my goodness. Sve voliš da takneš i da probaš. Moraš da imaš patience. Ovo vredi čekanja.
Okay, you're
So
right.
čekaj.
It does.
Čekaj.
It does, Mary.
So,
Awesome. All right. Well, next step is going to be the fill, which is going to be awesome. So,
Yes.
without further ado, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so welcome back. Before we put this off to the side, we just want to give you one more great point. There's no baking. Hey, it's ready to go. This dessert does not require any baking.
yes. Šta je još jedna dobra stvar za ovaj cheesecake? Ne mora ništa da se peče. Ovo se napravi, ostavite na stranu, napravite svoj fill, umutite whipping cream, slatku pavlaku i samo ga sastavite.
That's it. Off to the side until we're ready to put it together. And what's next, babe?
Sad ćemo da napravimo fill, cream sear fill. Ovdje imamo cream sear, to ćemo penosno da umutimo i onda će Jovan, moj mali pomoćnik, polako da nam dodaje mascarpone sir, slatku pavlaku za kuvanje, ovo je taj šećer, prah i vanila ekstrakt.
Okay, so my wife's going to start mixing the cream cheese, and I am slowly going to add the remainder of the ingredients here to make the fill. So let's have some fun. Okay, guys, welcome back. So step 1 is complete. We have our crust. Step 2 is complete. We have our cream cheese fill.
Yeah. So, prvi deo je gotov, imamo koricu. Drugi deo je gotov, imamo krem sir fill. No.
Okay, sorry.
Još samo malo. Možeš da
can
budeš
I-
strpljiv,
can
još
never
samo
wait.
malo. But I promise, bit ćeš prvi da
Oh,
dobiješ.
thank
okay?
you. I'll be first.
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
So, korica, fill. Sad ćemo da umutimo slatku pavlaku i onda ćemo početi da stavljamo sve zajedno.
Oh boy. So step 3 is coming up, guys, and that is going to be the whipped cream mix. So we'll be right back with that part.
Ok, so prvi korak, korica gotova. Drugi korak, fill gotov. Treći korak, ovo je što pravi naš keto cheesecake, malo drugačiji nego drugi. Drugi ljudi mešaju kiselu pavlaku ili jogurt, nešto. Mi pravimo slatku pavlaku, ćemo umutiti sa keto prijateljskim prah šećerom i naravno moj vanila šećer.
So guys, again, here is another set of ingredients that is going to take our cheesecake even further. This is all keto friendly, heavy whipping cream. And then with the exception of the vanilla shechet, it does have a couple of carbs.
Yes.
But mind you, when you spread this throughout all of the dessert, you're getting less than a gram of carbs per serving. So
Yes.
it's incredible. And then we have the Truvia confectioner sugar. Now we've mixed these two guys in here.
Yes.
Again, down below, we're going to give you the exact amounts of these ingredients. Heavy whipping cream. And then this is just going to blast away your dessert.
And I'm ready to eat.
All right.
So, ovdje smo već pomešali šećer i vanila šećer, umutit ćemo pavlaku i onda ćemo početi sve da sastavljamo.
All right, let's do it.
Ok, so šta sam uradila? Stavila sam krem sir filling i whipping cream, slatku pavlaku u kese. Ja sam koristila ove tipove za torte, ove ravne za krem sir, a ovo hoćete da imate gore dekoraciju kada stavite pavlaku na vrh.
Okay, so my wife is using these like decorating bags, and that's how we're going to put the fill and the whipped cream into our sifting glass.
Yes.
And so she has two different tips here. The one for the cream cheese fill is nice and wide and round, and the one for the whipped cream is a little more of a decorative tip. Guys, you can use whatever tip you prefer.
Ok,
Alright.
so počet ćemo da sastavljamo jedno po jedno i onda ćemo da dekorišemo.
Here we go. Okay, so how we're going to put this together. Get your sifting glass. You're just going to grab a little bit of the crust, as we say, and just kind of sprinkle it in towards the bottom. You know, we don't need to have anything like, any kind of uniformity.
No.
This is going to be really, really cool and relaxing and a fun dessert to make.
Yes.
All right.
So, Jovan je samo tako u ruku, možda otprilike jednu kašičicu so samo stavio dole, nije ništa pritiskao, samo je dole naprska dole na čašu. Kažem, koristite koliko god, mi ovako ove lepe čašice imamo.
All right, so one layer in.
You can put that down. but
Oh,
it's okay. Yes.
okay.
smo ovako čašu malo napunili do vrha, zato što ima ljudi koji ne vole da dodaju ništa na cheesecake, koji voli samo običan cheesecake sa crust.
Very well said. So this one we filled up above the rim.
Yes.
And reason being is this is for who wants to just have dessert that's keto friendly. We're not going to add anything to this dessert, no fruit, no liquor, anything, any topping of that sort.
Ok, so prvi cheesecake sa ništa od ozgo, nema dekoracije, samo kaže ovde plain cheesecake je gotov za one koji ne vole nikakav topping. Sad ćemo da napravimo malo drugačije topping.
All right, now we're going to put some toppings on.
Okay, it's your turn.
Oh man, here we
Your
go.
turn.
Yay! So we're sprinkling a little bit
Got it?
of our crust to start. There it is.
Okay.
All right. Mama's going to come in with the cheesecake fill. All right. Nice.
Sad malo
The
whipping cream.
whipped cream.
Okay.
All right. Another layer
Okay.
of our fantastically delicious crust. Just a little bit more. So fill in the
Okay.
sides.
So, evo kako ja volim da jedem. Dodate malo ovaj otopljeni puter od badema.
Okay.
Samo malo ovako
So
stavite
it's just
unutra.
kind of drizzling in a little bit of almond butter melted in the microwave. Look at that.
Okay.
And now back to business.
Yes. Sad opet krem sir.
Okay. And a little bit of whipped cream again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Sorry. Ok. I sad ćemo da dekorišemo. Ako primetite, ova čaša je ako malo manje puna, nije puna skroz do vrha, to smo namjerno ostavili da možete da dodate šta god vi volite od toppings, kako se kaže, od dekoracije.
Yes, decoracija. Okay, so as you'll notice, we left this one some room up on top. And my wife has already put in a little bit of the melted almond butter, which she is going to go ahead and drizzle in some more. Oh man. Guys, again, almond butter, keto friendly.
Yes.
It's a win-win. Toasted almonds.
Imamo ove malo listiće badema koje sam ja malo propružila.
Look at that. So we got some toasted almonds going in there. Ooh.
Možete da ostavite ovako, a možete da dodate još malo šećera sa
Chocolate chips, guys. Okay, again, keto-friendly chocolate chips. No sugar. And there you have it. It's a win, 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 win. I mean, I don't know how many. It's
I don't
like
have a spoon.
win infinity.
Yes.
Again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much for joining us today. Yes. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. It just brings us so much joy to get these recipes out to you. I mean, it's our passion. Yes. And whether it's dessert whether it's meat, sweet, you name it. I mean, we love it.
Yes. Hvala još jednom svima koji ste bili uz nas. Ostanite uz nas. Lajkujte, šerujte, podijelite sa svojim prijateljima i napravite ovako nešto za vaše prijatelje. Ovo je fantazija. Fantazija. Jovan i ja ćemo lakle imati sreće da probamo mi to danas zato što je gotovo, ali savjet, napravite što pre, tako je brzo, tako se jednostavno pravi, ali je out of this world, kako ovdje kaže.
Guys, you can serve this after dinner to your guests and wow them. So guys, thank you again for subscribing. For those who are new to the channel, please subscribe. As soon as we put our delicious recipes out, you'll be notified right away. And I can't wait any longer.
It makes two of us. Živjeli. Cheers.
Cheers.